All right, Maria Twist. What I'll do is I'll come and I'll show you the CMA for your property for 316 Venice Street. As you can see here, I've done a comparative market analysis and just going through, I'm going to show you just similar properties listed in the area. I can see when was it you bought the property for, I think it was 2018 for $595. Come through here, and as I'll show you, we're going to show you some comparable market sales and listings. If you go through here, we can have a look, similar ones that have sold in the area as your property. I actually sold a couple of these, I sold those two, so I know them quite well. Actually, no, I sold that one as well. So 132 William Street, quite similar to this property, and it's just one street over. That actually went for auction, but that was a little while ago, just at the end of last year in December. That went for $920. Very similar to yours, but it's actually quite a bigger building with a lot more body court. I know it quite well. I actually sold this one, 11 Bondi Avenue, which is just at the end of the street over the other side of the highway. Same thing, 2 bed, 2 bath, but it's only 1 car, where yours is 2. Roughly the same size at 89 square meters. That went for $900. And that was in April, but as I said, it's a little bit further from the beach on the other side of the highway. Another one, 37 Bondi Avenue. Same thing, that was 2 bed, 2 bath, 2 car. Had really good ocean views. Ended up going for $1,020,000, and that was in March. So you can see the market's moved a little bit from then, from December till March. This one, 45, I actually sold this one myself. Was slightly smaller, and it was western facing on the other side of the highway. That went for $88,250. That only had 1 car park. It was slightly smaller, 78 square meter, and I sold that just before Christmas at the end of last year, at the 18th of December. If you look right now, what's going on in the market with comparable listings, the market's shifted a little bit since then actually, especially around the beachside area. It's gone a little bit more. You've got even 1 bedders. There's not much on the market, which is good for you to list now because we don't have that many, we're not up against that many other apartments for sale. You've got even 1 bedders now going for roughly $700. 51 Peerless Ave, another 2 bed, 2 bath, 2 car. This is about 6 streets north, went for it's a new build, it went for $1,295. A slightly older one on the Gold Coast Highway, we know the construction's only 2 bed, 1 bath, 1 car in an old block. Just got listed at the end of March, and that's going for $715. Just gauging all that and looking through that. If we come down here and have a look at obviously you know the demographic because you know the area and all the rest of it. Recent trends. Going through all this, and you come down summary. I'd be putting this price. I'd be praising this property. It'd be like the other recent ones, and I'd be saying around the mill, we'd be going north of the mill. To be honest with you, I think we'd go to $1,050,000. Yeah, that's sort of where I'm sort of seeing this property sitting at this stage and in this market. Selling price, interest rates. Yeah, with interest rates coming down and everything that's going on in the market, yeah, I think we'd be honestly looking, north of $1 million. Be trying to probably go $1,050,000 plus. That's sort of probably where I'd see it, around the sort of falling around the $1,050,000. I'd probably recommend with this property, because we don't want to sell ourselves short, because it's probably this property is going to go as much as someone's willing to pay. I'd probably recommend a campaign with this. We do a contact agent, and I can just bring you the offers, and then when we get an offer that we're actually happy with and see what the market's selling us, we can accept it that way. That's the best way I'd probably recommend selling this property, would be a contact agent campaign.